Here we go. I will introduce to you my uh, newest version. On the last version, I could create some basic function of my game, of my card game, including the basic the turn system, how to put my card. In this video, I will generate plenty of new information or new content for you. Here is the effect I made by myself. Uh, you will see it later in my game. Here is the scene, the 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 model. It could actually move. Here is the character. Alright, let's directly into the game. Here is a game I derived from the Godot to this file. It will take a while to load this game because it's a it's a huge work for me. We have a lot of things to preload, so it might take some time. But trust me, it's worth waiting. Wow, let's directly into this game. You can see the board, the wood board with flower onto this. You choose your hero. I could choose one of these two hero. In this time I choose the fourth hero, and this card named the 波斯菊兽牙, a Chinese character. The mana is 6, the HP is 8, the attack is 7. It has the whoa. You need to come closer to the screen so you could watch this describe clearly. The Wind Fury, it has Misty. The Wind Fury means you could attack twice in the one turn. And the Misty means you could hide and the enemy could not attack you. But when you attack, you will release the Misty state. The description is done. I will read it for you. Return all the cards to the battlefield with one click. And when it attack, the attack will gain some number. The number is equals to uh, the cards and you return to the hand this turn. It's hard to understand, but I will show you in the real game. It's quite easy to understand actually. This card is called Leaf Bear. It has a battle cry, means you to play this from hand to the battlefield, you could generate some effect. Add a leaf spell to your card. The mana is 1, the HP and attack is 1, which means we should use this usually. I draw this picture by myself. I never learned how to draw a picture before, so it's my best. I do my best. So let's just click and select this. When I select this, it will add it to my deck. And when the battle phase start, I will draw the card from the deck. Here we have two spell cards, the leaf and the leaf area. The leaf, I could choose one of my follower and let it return to my hand. The leaf area means the opposite to the leaf. I could choose the enemy's follower, return to the enemy's hand. The two return to hand. So the enemy's is the spend of this card is 2. It's very reasonable, right? So I should choose this. When I play this card, I decide to play this card, and it will add a leaf card to me, which will have see it on the choose card face. The leaf card I could select one my follower to my hand. Oh, by the way, I could, if you want to check the detail of the card, you could simply move the mouse into this card on the battlefield, and for 1 second, it will generate a larger one. the front side of this card, and you could read this clearly. Actually, it's just another instance I uh, instantiate from the packet scene. Never mind. I will choose the enter button, and with a small animation, and it will pass to the enemy's turn. The enemy will do something. Now look at this animation. Now you see, my follower is around by the green light, which means it could attack now. When it could attack, I could simply click this and select the enemy. Wow, the enemy will take the damage one. And I could use this leaf spell to return my leaf bear to hand. This is a spell card, so when it left this, I will do this. Left. If you come closer to the hand, it will become the spell card and cancel the aim. It will drag this card away from my hand. It will enter the aim directly automatically, and I will choose the leaf bear. It will return my hand. All right. Uh, so also, if you want to check the card on your hand, you could simply enter your mouse to this card. It will larger this card and hover it. If you want to back to normal, you just exceed your mouse to the card like this. Now this enemy's turn. You might be confused why this enemy hit my follower. Normally the enemy could hit could not hit until the second turn it played to the battlefield. But let's see the detail of this enemy. The enemy, the mana is 2, and the attack is 2, the HP is 2. It has a taunt, which means you look at the shield. Oh, wow, this shield is large and small, large and small. Larger and shrink. It means when I want to attack, I could only attack this kind of follower before attack the follower without the taunt. And the second keyword is rush, which means it will. That's why he could attack my follower. It could attack to the follower when it's forced to the battlefield. Play to the battlefield. No need to until the second turn. To wait to the second turn. So here is the logic of my enemy. I will show you later. In the second turn, it could attack directly to my hero. The fourth turn, it could not attack my hero. And I will introduce the leaf area now. I will choose while the enemy, not my follower, is the enemy's follower, and let it return to their hand. So I could only take 2 damage next turn, or I will take 4 damage. Alright, now my mana is 5. I could do nothing because my key card, I could only play it on the mana is 6. I could only play it on the next turn. The 5 turn we just passed. Now the key card I played. Wow, the effect I make it on the blender, and you will see is in the misty, which means that the enemy they could not attack my card. Let's see that. Oh, they will not attack my card because it's in misty. And for now, I only have the 10 HP left. You might think I will lose, but it is time to reverse everything. you will see my card. It has effect. With one click, you need to enter this button, enter this card, and click. It will return all of this card to their owner's hand. Let's see that. Wow! Return all of the cards. And I could attack because it's the second turn it play onto the battlefield. Attack. When it's attack, the attack will plus the number it returns this time, this turn. This turn I return 7 number of card. So my attack is 7 plus 7 equals 14. When the second time I could attack twice, so it's also plus 7. 14 plus 7 equals 21. It will take 21. The enemy will take 21 damage and lose the game. Wow, I win the game. Uh, Here I choose the upgrade follower, the Leaf Bear. The Leaf Bear, we have already familiar with that. Battle Cry, add a Leaf Bear spell to the hand. But this is an upgrade, not a new card. What is upgrade? What is upgrade? We have uh, very patiently noticed that is this. You see the green circle. Uh, Previously its mana spend is 1, but now it's turned to 0. It's a very huge step. Although you may think it's only uh, only a one number change, but it's really a very huge step. Let's click and select. And this is the regular turn. You choose the spell card, and this time I will choose the leaf. Choose the leaf. You could choose this card uh, for your like, whatever you like. Uh, so you see, I play this upgrade leaf bear. You see, I don't spend any mana because you see the detail. The cost is 0 now. The cost is 0. But the leaf spell is also cost. Alright. I will end my turn. And turn. You see the enemy's HP, max HP is 50. The enemies will grow stronger and stronger when the battle process. When the battle unfold. I could do nothing. I need to wait my K card to win. So I need to wait until the 6th. I only could win until the 6th. Wow, 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 wow. I nearly die. Let's calculate that. The 6 enemy, I could take the 14 damage. I could not die. I have 2 HP left, so I could win this game with my key card. Wow, my key card. I will take the 14 damage. I have 2 HP left. 4 HP left. All right. At this time, if I collect this directly as a euro, I will return 7 cards to their hand. But 7 is not a very big, very huge number. You see, if the attack twice, we do some very small, very simple calculation. The 7 plus 7 is 14. Also, the second time plus 7 is 21. The 21 plus 14 is 35. It's not reach the 50. The enemy's HP is 50. So for now, I will use this leaf bear to increase the number of the return number in this turn. You know, increase 1. Yes, it's the return number is not only the number returned enemy, it's also a number returned my follower. It's counting into this return number in this turn. Alright, I will play this multiple times Be patient. I was about to win. If you want to win, you need some patience, right? All right, all right, all right. All right. I could not do this because my mana is used out. Click! Return all to the. You see that? Wow. Now, guess what will happen? What's the damage this card will cause? It's plenty of damage and win this game. Very easy. Oh, another period is choose one pet. It's my pet named Slade. Actually, this character I do not invent this character. This character is from the my favorite animation. Uh, well, my favorite animation is not my original character, but this game and this things, this model, I created this by myself, and this the code I written this by myself. Mm, mm. All right. Let's introduce the Slade. The Slade, it has a battle cry, and it will heal my hero. Uh, we mentioned the return number before. We also have another concept named the return number in the whole battle. This will heal my hero with in the number of the whole battle. And it could also expand my max mana. You play the Hearthstone, it has max mana in this, and it will large my max mana. I will show you in the game. It's a very useful card. Wow! You see that? You see that? When I add this pad into my deck, a pad directly show in the battlefield. It just shake his hand, shake the tail, or it wave to me. You say hello to me. Oh, and now I will play this Leaf Bear Azure when this uh, global return number reaches to 5, something wonderful will happen. You will see them as all right. Return is 3. Oh, by the way, this pad is called click. You please. Let's wait until it say hello to me. Oh, you could click this pad and wow, let's jump, 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 jump. Wow. Click, jump, 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 jump. Wow. It has some very fantastic animation I created by myself on the Blender. Also, let's keep moving. You see the return all number is 3 is not enough. When it reach 5, something magic will happen. It not will happen directly, and it not happen automatically. It will happen later. And now things change. I will play my Slade. You see, I take 2 damage, and my max mana is 4. When I play Slade, everything change. Watch that. Watch that. Wow. First, it's heal 6 HP to me. So I return to my max HP 30. I cannot surpass this 30 HP, and my max mana. You see, before I played it is 4. Now it's 5. Every 5. If we have 5 global return number, we could large my max mana. We could large 1 extra mana. How about see that? Every 5 global return, we could expend 1 max mana, which means if you have 10 global return, you could expend 2 max mana. It's very interesting, right? All right, let's just. And also, uh, normally the max mana is 4, which means next time, next turn, it will reach the 5. Actually do nothing. But this time I expand my max mana, so next turn it will reach the 6. I could play my key card directly. It will precipitate the whole piece of this battle. It's a very useful card. It could also heal my hero, expand max mana, create some wonderful animation. Wow, it's a very huge step, right? Key card, take damage. All right, all right, sir. All right, sir. Uh, wait a second. Let me think. Return, 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 return. Wow. I will cause plan like wow. Look at that. Look at my pet. It will wait my attack. When I enter the aim, when I enter the aim, my pet will enter the aim also. So when I attack, my pet attacks. Oh no, the enemy is not die. Oh, something wrong. Something went wrong. It's not good. It's not good. No, 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 no. My key card was destroyed. I could not win anymore because I have no other way to win. Oh no, that is very bad. I'm going to lose this battle. No, 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 no. No, no, no. You say that. The enemy will grow stronger and stronger. Now its HP is 4. Wow, I lose. What happened? You simply tape presses tape presses your mouse, and the game will back to the start. I will choose this. Choose just as usual. As you see, my pad was clear because this is the first turn. The first turn I will accelerate this process so that we could introduce another things. Another things. Play key card. Alright. Die! I will win. Alright. Return. It's kind of boring because I have do this before. I have experienced this before, but I lose, so I need to do this over and over again. Just be patient. A very interesting things, fantastic things, content I will show you is not there later. Wow, now let's back to this. Wow, back to this. Back to Slade. In this time, I will change my strategy. Change my strategy. Strategy. I will not fail my pet. I will satisfy him. Uh, in this time, play my key card first. In this time, I will change my strategy. At 60. First, I will trigger my key card at first. Yes, trigger it at first. And attack. 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 And then I will return it to my hand. I play it again. And click enter. So the next time I could also attack to the here enemies here. In this time I could do whatever I like because I'm gonna to win. Right? Whatever. By the way, the max mana could not surpass the turn. It's the rule. Return to your hand. I don't like this. Return to your hand. Return all to my hand. And whoa, 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 wait a second. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, it's kind of. Oh. It's my lucky day. The enemy's card has the two, has the three, has the four attack and 4 HP. But when I return this enemy card to their hand, it will change to the 2/2. It will lose all the bonus of his attack and HP. It will all change to the regular HP and regular attack, which is always the 2. So my key card survived this time. So I choose a legendary upgrade. The legendary upgrade you could hardly see because you need to borrow a microscope from your grandpa. It's a very tiny character. I could hardly read this. Uh, I will figure it. I will figure it next time, not this time. Uh, the upgrade is that previously I could one attack. My attack could also only plus the number of the return number in this turn, but for now it will plus the number as the whole battle. Let's see that. Let's see that. The whole battle is in there, it's showing there. Let's do some tedious repeat work just as usual. It's the characteristic of this hero. He play like that. Return. It's his characteristic. Uh, all right. Do this over and over. Return. Do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Alright, play this. As you can see, as you can see, the uh the card that returned to the hand is this turn is 8. The 7 anime plus 1 my leaf bear. So it should be 7 plus 8 is 15. It's a very simple math. But with upgrade, it will plus 15, not the 8. So the 7 plus 15 is 22. The 22 plus 15 is 37. Wow, it's plenty damage, right? So I will return this to my hand, play this again, and end my turn. And this time, as usual, return to hand. This time I only return 3 cards, but my attack could plus 19, which is 26. And I will. Alright. The max mana is 10, but uh, this time the max mana is 20 now. As you can see, the max mana is 20 now. The character is very small. I will adjust it later, not this time. This is a one place. Simply click and continue the game. Wow! You see, with my max mana reached 20, my hero reached the next level. Brand new hero with the flower tree as a scene, as a background. My hero could move, and wow! Look at that. Look at that. It's move. It's not his hand. Oh, it's very cute, right? Every 15 seconds, my hero play a random species animation, random species act. Wow, Lexa, it's my favorite species animation. The flip. Oh, let's keep the moving. Let's keep. You see the animation. It reached 120 HP. Wow, it's hard. It's very harsh anime. It's hard to. Hmm. Hmm. I need to figure out how to defeat it. I will play as Euros, as Euro, play Leaf Bear, return Leaf Bear, return Leaf Bear, play Leaf Bear, return Leaf Bear. Alright, Leaf Bear. Uh, by the way, my anime will the anime will grow stronger and stronger, stronger, stronger. It's very hard to handle it. Let's see that. Take 2 damage. Alright. You could do whatever you like because we are very stronger now. No need to follow the regular play. I have 10 return number global return number. I have 10 global return number showing this on this level. So my max mana could add 2. Add 2. Yes, it could play from 5 to 7. Return this. Alright. There are many anime I need to have. I need to figure out how to win. Oh, uh, play the Leaf Bear as I can. Leaf Bear. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, how to win? Play. K card. I could not die, so I could play the K card. So how about that? How about that? I play this, I play this, and no need to wait the next turn. I just simply turn out. But uh, but I could not attack because its first turn it arrived at this battlefield. I could not attack, so I just pass my turn. You see, it surpassed the turn, reached the 11. My max mana is 20 now. Definitely, of course, it could reach the 11. So for now, I need to play this and return, play this. It's not good, it's not good. Uh, I could not figure out how to win this time, but I will try my best. As you see, the enemy is very strong, so I need to return all this to the hand. The enemy has a shield, I have the taunt, so I could not attack the hero directly. I could only attack the one of the enemy. You see, one of the enemy direct. Wow, but I could not reach the enemy's hero. How? What should I do? Return. And I don't know how to do now. But as you see, my max mana is 16, and the enemy is only have one enemy. I'm safe now, so I could accumulate my return to all. A global return number is very large now. I could do this, repeat and repeat and repeat, enlarge my global return number. So this might be an opportunity for me to win. Wow, look at that. It's an opportunity to me. I could use this again, 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 and again. Let's do a simple math calculation. 7 plus 40 plus 40 plus 40. Wow, wow, you cannot believe this. 120 HP. I win. Oh, you say the enemy has reached the 150 now, but the upgrade is not. It's much more than that. The enemy's card will also grow much stronger. It uh, it will add 2 act and 2 HP every turn. Every turn the card of enemies draw, it will add 2 HP and 2 attack. The second turn it will add 4 HP and 4 HP and 4 attack. The next turn it will add 6. Well, it become tickle and tickle, tickler and tickler. It's hard to handle. I will just play as usual. I don't care. Let's play the Leaf Bear. The Leaf Bear hero. The hero name is Leaf Bear hero. is his famous card, the Leaf Bear. Plays again and again. It's my final battle. If I win this battle, I will win. If I lose, I will restart. So I will do my best to win this battle. Here is all things I got in my hand, and wow, multiple damage, plenty damage. No. But usually with the combo of Slade and this my key card, I could use the Slave multiple times and add multiple layers to my hand. It's like I could generate the enemy is very huge. It's very tickle now. So I need to return all this to their hand. Return. Oh no, I made a mistake. I should not return that fast. Never mind. Return. Alright. Return. My max mana is 17 now. Uh, return. Alright. Wow, 14. It's hard to deal with. Uh, I I need to I need return this, and I need to find a way, find an opportunity to win. Wow. I am accumulating my the number of my global return, so I could actually found a way to win. As you can see, my max mana is 20, so I could play my key, uh, twice of my key card now. So it might be an opportunity for me to win. All right. Wow, here's the opportunity. Here's the things. You see why this attack language speed is all 2. Before it is 14, 15. Because why return this to enemy to their hand, it will lose all the blast. It will uh, change to the regular HP and regular attack, which is 2. So it's my turn now. But uh, so I could simply play this, play this, play this, play this, return, return. In this time, I will wait until the next turn. And you see my global return number is 46. 46. Right, it's 46. So let's do a quick math. Plus 750, 50 plus, I gonna win this time. I gonna win. Wow, it's very hard battle. It's very hard battle. I win, yes. Back to the choose hero state. I will choose the second hero. This card is called 幽灵角面, also a Chinese character because it's English character is very hard to translate. Choose one legendary follower. The first legendary follower of the first hero uh, is boss 鱼兽羊. So this second legendary follower, it has the effect the battle cry. It will generate a small ghost, and when this card dies, it will also generate a small ghost. And here is the thing: the small ghost I will show you is when the small ghosts die and this card on the battlefield, the small ghost will change into a giant ghost. This is very interesting. And when this card died, it will plus add a small warrior directly to my hand. I will show you later. Oh, I only have this card and my mana is 1. I can do nothing. Do nothing. The enemy is also the town rush enemy. Play it. Oh wow! The small ghost. It has a charge and another effect I will show you later. The small ghost, you see the shine, the green light, which means it could attack the first time it arrives at the battlefield without no need to wait until the second turn. The attack is 2, the HP is 1. You could do this. Wow! When it's dead, it will generate a 4/4 giant ghost. The giant ghost has only the effect of the giant ghost taunt, which means it could protect me and my follower without the taunt. So the enemy turn. You see, it could only attack the taunt follower. It could not attack this. Attack once. You see the effect, right? I do this also on the Blender. Alright. When it die, it will generate a small version. So mana is 1, as you see, a small version. The mana is 1, the attack and HP is 1, which is the plus version. When this plus version dies, also add another plus version into my hand. I could do this all day. As you see that this giant ghost I could attack. Oh, here you see, when this card died, and the enemy attacked my small ghost, and at that time it count my key card is also on the battlefield, so it generates a giant ghost. When this card on the battlefield, the small ghost die, it will generate a ghost. It's not a bug, it's a characteristic. Kind of, right? When my my turn was end, this card will die directly. It can only survive in this turn. It could not survive when I click the end turn. Let's see that. Wow, it died. Generate this because this on the turn. Let's do this. Oh, by the way, this giant gold, small gold, when he this die, it's not a die, it's a despair because they are ghosts, you know. When they despair, this count. You know, the first hero they have the all return to hand count. The characteristic of his is return to hand. The second hero we have the despair count, which will use uh, another way. I will use it in the next battle. The small warrior it also generates more. Let's see that without the small warrior of this key card, this small ghost die it will not generate the giant ghost. Only if we got the key card on the battlefield, the small ghost die it will generate the giant ghost. Here is the characteristic. Here is the thing. Characteristic. Wow. Wow. Giant ghost. Oh, another thing. Ghost Summer is a card. Uh, Battle cry. It could summon a small ghost with charge. And when it died, it could also generate one. Not in the describe. I miss it. I'm sorry, I missed it. Never mind, never mind. I could not play it on the first turn because it will waste one giant ghost. Because my key card is 3. My key card. My key card is very powerful, right? Generate a small ghost. Wow. Wow. Die automatically. And usually when the ghost generator dies, it also generates one ghost. That's why he called it the ghost generator. Attack, 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 attack. Oh, the next card is the legendary upgrade. The legendary upgrade is this card. It's called Divine Contractor. It will add directly to your deck. It has a battle cry or erase all the enemy cards from the battlefield. I will see that later. Oh wow! With the legendary upgrade, my hero change. In the star background, the mole hero. How fantastic! Wow! Look at that. You nearly missed that. Shoo! Shot. This is a regular process. I will just ignore that. Ignore that all of this. Oh shoot! Phew! I will not play this because there are no enemy follower on the battlefield. Wow. This time I could show it for you. With the play of this divine contractor, wow! All of the enemies follower was disappear, not destroy. Disappear. It counting into this global disappear number. I will use this later. Wow. Wow. Attack! The enemy have no power now. Because he could only draw one and my resource is infinite. Ghost, giant ghost, and ghost. It's infinite, you know? Oh, this is upgrade follower, Divine Horse. It has battle cry. Here is enemy follower, the highest enemy follower. Uh, and it has I forgot to write this onto the describe. It has taunt and the divine shield. Taunt and divine shield. I forgot it. Uh, let's see that. Hmm. Alright, it should, because there are no enemy followers on the enemy's battlefield. I will do this until the next time. Uh, Come on. Alright. Look at that. With the play of divine, we could erase one of this enemy, and it has the divine shield. Look this, the divine shield. Attack, 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 and taunt and divine shield. Oh, with the Divine Shield, the enemy hit the Divine Shield as the Divine Shield disappear, it takes 0 damage. Very reasonable, right? The style of this hero is very different from the fourth hero. The fourth hero is kind of uh, durable hero. It's it's wait and kill enemy and one time. This is uh, kill enemy during this process. Is a slow process. Attack, attack, attack. It's very different style, right? Let's see. Play this. Erase all the enemies follower. It will precipitate my the whole game. Attack, attack. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, here is a key card, my pet card. I will show you the pet card. Battle cry. Equip your hero with a giant size. The giant size. It's a weapon. You see, with the also with the pad added to your head added to your deck, we have the pad on your battlefield. Right? With a click, it's a swim, swim, and oh, swirl. Right. Very interesting, right? Uh, swirl, fly down. Wow, 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 wow. It's a very fantastic attack animation. Attack. When it's attack, it's like a play symphony, right? You will see that later. It's like a playing symphony because I will play, I will attack frequently, very frequently. Here we go. We play the bucklers and equip my hero with a giant size. Equip my hero with my hero's weapon with the ghost animation weapon. The weapon's attack directly equal the number of the disappear, the global disappear number. Wow, wow. Just like play a symphony, right? Uh, I will not attack, I will attack later. I will introduce to you how the hero attack. Alright, I will attack later. It's not a good time to show you. It's not a good time. The enemy is not strong enough. Alright, this is a good time to show you how this work. You see, my hero has 6 attack, not like regular attack. Choose any, whatever you like, whatever. It will summon a giant size and attack all of the enemy, cost a damage of 6, without damage my hero. Look at that. Wow, this animation. Wow, damage 6. Without damage, my hero is all, the HP is 30. Take no damage. Damage all the enemy. Is that very interesting, fantastic? And with the dispel number grows, the attack of my hero is also grows. Die! Wow! Wow! How could I say? Alright. Alright, the final battle. Face my fate directly. I'm a little tired to speak, so I will be silent. I will be silent. With this powerful weapon, I could definitely win this game, win this battle. Win! Alright, here is my game. Alright, here is my game. Thanks for watch.